You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this food, this delicious dish. For more names from different cuisines, Indian cuisine in particular, make sure to stay tuned, both in Pakistan and India. Let's break down the pronunciation. Gajar, Gajar, local pronunciation. Gajar Ka Halwa, Gajar Ka Halwa. In English, Gajar Ka Halwa, Gajar Ka Halwa, or Gajar Ka Halwa. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.